Hello everyone, welcome back to Nexora AI. This is my AI college chatbot. You can ask question about the college and get instant answers. Today I am going to ask it two questions. First question, what is the BCAP? And the second question, how many courses are offered at St. Joseph College for Women? As you can see, the chatbot gives answer using the college knowledge base. This project uses RAG and the AI technology to provide relevant college information. In my next video, I'll explain how this chatbot works and show you the complete process behind it. Thank you for watching. If you like this AI project, please subscribe to Nexora AI. Thank you to all.